Here's another map. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. These are the maps. I'm not gonna read everything again, Noah. I'm just gonna look at that. Ooh, what's this? What is that? They put this away.
Here, film this.
Oh, I filmed that.
Let's get a driver down. Driver down.
Oh.
Your attention please. Via train number 39 from Quebec City is now arriving on track number 2. Thank you. Votre attention s'il vous plaît. Le train via numéro 39 en provenance de Québec entre actuellement en gare sur la voie numéro 12. Merci.
It's gonna be coming back. I just hear a speaker and I'm not talking over it. It's cleaning everything, look. Cleaning everything. Should be any coming any soon. Oh, did I hear something? I'll put my hat. I heard something right there. Ooh. Yep. No, the other one. Put your hat on. Oh, Noah. Look. Oh, it's that car.
Okay. I'll see if we can get to 5 control. Oh no. Let's see. Yeah.
More in the back?
Yeah. The one that's less train that we take. It's gonna keep filming and wait for my
Man.
You can use the brake too. You didn't use the brake at all.
Go find that guy.
so 3 batteries left.
Okay, can you find him in a second?
Or do you have something?
The one I showed, like green off screen.
That's where I stopped playing. What is that? You continue?
Should be any here, Papa. Papa?
Yeah.
There's another vending machine, Papa, right there. Yeah, I'll film this.
Driver down. Wait, watch this.
Oh, come on. Gotta move back a bit. I think we might have to move all the way because we're sweeping here. Papa. Yeah. Sweeping every floor. Look as I look. Wet. And you can feel the gears and everything in water. Oh, did I see something? Oh, another train right there. Noah.
Oh.
Hey, Noah. There's a train, Noah.
Oh, cool.
And Papa. There's another train.
Right.
Right here.
San Francisco.
Sweeping this grandpa is it cool? Everybody, hope you like this train station. And you know I like train station?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about you?
Yeah, I think too. See the people?
Oh, I see him. I'm gonna zoom in.
They said that
Come on, focus, focus.
the train was packed.
Look at all the people, they're coming. Oh, did I see Mama? No, I don't see her. Getting a little bit closer, coming closer. I still can't see her. Should move when you come over closer and see when there's Mama. Or are you gonna stay here?
Oh, you can go.
Alright. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Oh, this is Mama. Ooh.
How are you? The first weekend.
Oh, they're strangers. I'm not so afraid. Yeah, I'll go closer, Pa. Yeah, you coming, Pa? Let's go. I'm gonna hit the pole. I'm not gonna hit the pole. I'm just gonna come a little bit closer and then. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Look, all the people are crowded right there. Driver that future. Look, everything is crowded. Look. Might be busy, isn't it? Alright. Oh, did I see my... No. No, I don't see coming here and going down here. I don't see. No, we get. We waited about like 5 minutes ago. Well, oh, did I see Ma?
Here, he's over there. Look. That's her.
Let's zoom in. Oh, there he is!
She is.
She's here. I see her going down.
No, there.
So I come here and yeah. I film it there. Oh, I can film here. Down here? Oh. Here. Where? Here? Okay.
Check here.
Spyro.
She's here.
Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna drop it.
Simon. Winnie.
Oh,
Shopping.
there's Mama.
Look.
We found her. We waited for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. There's Mama.
Hi, my guys.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, my bum.
Oh, good.
Wait, you guys. Oh, are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. Yeah. Yeah, benar. Well, I ate supper here and I'm gonna walk slowly and I'm gonna take a look at the after. Or I can take a look right. So I'm filming the ground because I don't know anything.
Did you film everything here?
Yeah, and the vending machine.
Vending machine. Wait until you see the videos from UJ. Oh, here we go. Come on, guys.
There you go. Alright, let's go to hallway.
Here, give it to me. Give it to me. I'll put it on your person. Come on, Leo.
Yeah, coming. What do you think of this, Uncle Jeff and UJ? Is it cool? What do you think, everybody? Is it cool?
Oh, you're still filming.
Yeah, I'm still filming. Oh wait,
Okay,
no. Ah, see we had it. Okay, got it. No, I don't want to say bye. Still filming. No.
Okay, that's it.
No, that's it. No. Oh, wait. No.
Leo, you can turn off.
Wow. Alright. So I guess that's it for this.
Friday?